Looking for luxury without breaking the bank? Here are the 5 best Rolex watches under $10,000, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, OLEVS Men's Chronograph Watch. First up is the OLEVS Men's Stainless Steel Chronograph Watch, priced at just $52.97. The gold and silver tone combined with a blue chronograph dial really caught my eye. If you want a watch that looks classy without costing a fortune, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk about why this watch might just solve your need for style and functionality. Featuring a 41 case and a date display, it's perfect for both casual and formal wear. The luminous hands ensure you can read it easily, even in low light. And the stainless steel band, it's designed to provide comfort while looking sharp. This watch is water resistant up to 100 feet, which is great for daily wear, just don't take it swimming. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want to show off a bit of luxury without the hefty price tag, this watch delivers. It's received over 2,000 purchases in the past month, so people are clearly loving it. Now, some folks might complain about the lower-end materials compared to high-end brands. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's hard to beat the style and features, especially if you're just getting into watches. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable luxury watch that's ideal for gifting or elevating your everyday style. Skip it if you're looking for something more durable and upscale. Now, if the OLEVS watch's lower materials concern you, this next one from Invicta might catch your interest even more. Product number 2, Invicta Men's Pro Diver Watch. Moving on to the Invicta Men's 5053 Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch, priced at $112.41. The sleek black dial and luminous hands caught my attention right away. If you're looking for a watch that combines sportiness with class, this is worth a serious look. This is perfect for someone who appreciates craftsmanship. You won't have to worry about battery replacements. The exhibition case back is a nice touch too, letting you see the movement at work. With a weight of just 155 grams, it's comfortable for all-day wear, and the fact that it comes in a gift box with a 3-year warranty is a huge plus. This watch has also gained a loyal following with over 1,000 purchases recently. Here's why this matters for you. If you want reliability and style in one package, this watch fits the bill. Now, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky. But here's the thing, if you enjoy a substantial watch, this should be right up your alley, and the weight adds to its premium feel. This is perfect for you if you're looking to make a statement at the office or out on the water. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter and more minimalistic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a classic look. Product number 3, Citizen Quartz Men's Watch. Next up is the Citizen Quartz Men's Watch, retailing for $164.46. The blend of stainless steel and a classic black dial really stood out to me. If you want a timeless piece that transitions seamlessly between occasions, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a sleek design with silver-tone hands and hour indices for a modern touch. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear without the worry of damaging it in the rain or while washing your hands. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty, which gives you peace of mind. With its minimalist style, you can wear it to a formal dinner or just at a casual get-together, and it won't feel out of place. The fact that it's part of Citizen's Quartz family means durability, which is essential if you want something that lasts. Here's why this matters for you. Versatility is key, and this watch won't let you down. Some users have pointed out that it can scratch easily. But honestly, with proper care, you can keep it looking elegant, and it's a small price to pay for such a stylish piece. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a classic style that works for any occasion. Skip it if you're looking for something more sporty or with more features. Now, if you're after something even more affordable, let's take a look at a budget-friendly choice. Product number 4, LN LENQIN Men's Analog Watch. Now check out the LN LENQIN Men's Waterproof Analog Quartz Watch for just $12.84. At this price, I was genuinely surprised by how stylish it looks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still has style, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a simple round luminous dial, making it easy to read even in the dark. The stainless steel band is durable for daily wear, and the IP-coated case means it won't fade over time. The Japanese movement ensures accurate timekeeping, which is critical for daily life. With a water resistance of 3 atm, you can wash your hands and get caught in the rain without worry. It's a fantastic option for anyone who wants a reliable watch without spending much. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a casual watch that won't break the bank, this is a great pick. However, some people have mentioned that it feels a bit cheap or flimsy. But here's the thing, you're paying a fraction of what you'd pay for a luxury watch and it still gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want something that looks decent. Skip it if you need a high-end feel or features. Now, if you're after a slightly more upscale look without going overboard, let's talk about our last product. Product number 5, OLEVS Classic Men's Watch. Lastly, we have another entry from OLEVS, the classic men's watch priced at $54.98. I love the elegant gold finish and the day-date feature. If you're looking for a watch that combines functionality with style, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a thick case and a gold face that really pops. The quartz movement keeps everything accurate, and the luminous hands make it easy to read at night. It's suitable for swimming but not diving, which gives you flexibility for outdoor activities. The adjustable strap is a nice touch, ensuring a good fit for most wrist sizes. What really stands out is that this watch caters to both sports and business occasions, making it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a watch that can be dressed up or down, this is a solid choice. Some users reported that the watch can feel a bit heavy. But honestly, if you like a watch that feels substantial on your wrist, that's a bonus. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch for various occasions without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight designs. So to wrap it up, we have the OLEVS Men's Chronograph, the Invicta Men's Pro Diver, the Citizen Quartz Men's Watch, the LN-LENQIN Men's Analog Watch, and the OLEVS Classic Men's Watch. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Invicta Men's Pro Diver because it balances style and durability perfectly for the price. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the LN-LENQIN if you're seeking premium quality. It's more of a starter watch. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.